God's great grace it has brought us all this way in faithfulness. God's abounding love is sought us. How can tongue of man express? His strong hand is watching over us, whether sleeping or awake. He makes all things pleasant for us in the Lord, for Jesus' sake. God will use our fairy powers with His mind from day to day, and in mercy on us shall